over here. You can watch him. Come here. Come here. Buster, come here. You can watch him take the trash out. Come on. Thanks, Earl. Come here. Buster, come over here. Who is that? What do you see? Buster. Buster, guess what? Earl, guess what? Who's home? Earl, what's Buster say? What does Buster say? Are you gonna dance for Dad? I hope Earl does that again. I just turned it off. Buster, here he comes. Here he comes. Buster. Buster. You talking like him?
Come on.
Get off my computer, please. Thank you. You happy?
Buster. Max.
Earl saw Max here. Yeah. Oh, here he comes. Come on, Max. Come on, Maxie.
Come here. Come here. Max.
Okay. It's okay, Buster.
Maxwell.
Don't be jelly.
Come here, Max.
Oh, that he's doing Buster. What's he doing, Bus? He's petting everybody. Jelly. That's funny, isn't it? Come here, Earl. What's he talking about, Earl? You can't reach down and bite her. She's too far away from you. Even like move, like. Give me this. Thank you. Kiss. Kiss. Thank you. Come here. Wow. Go out there with Dad. Go on. Go on. Go get Dad. That was Earl. He went, come here.
Come here. Come here. Come here, Charlie.
He's trying to bite him. Get him, Earl. Earl. Yeah? What are you doing, Buster? Goodness. Feeling good? Go get him. Go get him. How's that? You feeling good? Is that funny?
You good boy?
Are you good, Bird? I tried to say bird and boy at the same time. He's been very curious with him today.
You good boy?
Buster. What are you doing? Go crazy. Woo! Go crazy. Where are we going? You want to go see the girls? Let's get Buster. Okay, I'm ready.
Come on, Buster. Buster. Come on. Come on.
What'd you say? You've been saying a bunch of stuff today. Come on, Charlie. Your brother's being crazy. The girls are waiting for you, Earl. They're waiting for you. Oh, did you say hi? Hi, girls. Turn around, Earl. Don't be shy. Say hey, girls. Say hey, pretty girls. What you doing? Hi, girls. Here comes Buster. Come on, Bus. I can't even hardly see him with that sun.
Come this way.
Oh, Earl, out of the box. Mr. Brave. What are you doing? Are you brave? Oh, now you're getting back in. Come on, Bus. No, Buster. Don't bother that cord.
Come on.
Come on. They asked me if the dogs would chew it up. I was like, no, but the cockatoo will. Come on.
Say hi, girls.
Get Dad. Here, Earl, let me take you over here. And that way, if you want to walk around, you can. Okay? There you go. You want... Ooh, there's one of the ladies. So, hey, ladies.
Say hi, girls.
Hey.
See the girls?
They're checking Earl out. I'm just saying. They are. They better look out. Okay.
Here, get up there.
Earl, you got 1 foot on the box and 1 foot on the ground. Huh? You give me a kiss? Thank you. Buster, you better talk to the girls. Are you going to talk to them? What's that? Oh, Earl, attack on you, quit. Hey, you are not going to attack me. You think that's funny? You're not gonna. Hi. He's attacking me. Attack bird. Daggone, did you see him?
Yeah. He's actually running.
I know. You're going up here. Well, Buster thinks it's funny.
Say hi, girl.
I'm mad at you. I'm mad at you. That was not very nice trying to attack me. Here, I thought we were making progress. Like an attack dog. You're still, like, fired up. Look at his eyes. Where's Robert?
Put him on the ground and see if he'll come after me.
He was chasing me, the little punk. It's not funny. Hi, boss. Stay right there, okay? Stay on Dad's shoulder. Thank you. It sure isn't like he was doing to me. He was chasing me. Here. Don't get jelly, Buster, okay? Come on, Earl. You want to come with me? What are you doing?
Go walk up close to me.
Yeah. Ruin my brand new shoes. You will? Here, you want to get on the trampoline? Come on. You'll ruin my new shoes? Yeah. All right. You going to get out today? You going to get out? I'll turn you that way. Do you want to get out? You want to jump around? Here. You want to get out? Look at all this stuff you can play with. Look. You don't want to get out? It's okay. Give me a kiss. And be nice to me. Don't chase me around like that, trying to chew up my brand new shoes. All right. Do you want to get out or not? Come on. Here, let me push you over there. Come here. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, Earl. You can do brave things. Come on. Come on. Do you want to get out? No, you're scared. I'll stop, okay? Here, let's go back up. See if he comes after me again. Hi, boss. What are you doing? You know I'm watching you now. All right. Who wants a kiss goodnight? Who wants a kiss? Who wants a kiss goodnight? Thank you. Get your bucket. Get your bucket. Oh my goodness. Toss it. Toss it. Toss that bucket. Toss it like you mean it. Want a kiss? Thank you. Good night. Good night, Buster.